We used to think creativity was untouchable, that writing, painting, composing were things only humans could do. But now, artificial intelligence writes books, paints portraits, composes music, and no one told the artists. For decades, we believed creativity was safe, that machines would handle the cold logic and we'd keep the soul. It made sense. Creativity felt human, unpredictable, emotional, irrational. But AI doesn't need emotion to create. It just needs data and prompts. And it turns out that might be enough. In the last 12 months, writers have lost freelance jobs to ChatGPT. Designers are competing with Midjourney. Voice actors replaced by 11 Labs. Musicians recreated by AI with style, tone, and evolution. Entire workflows gone in days. And the scary part? Clients don't always notice. Sometimes they even prefer it. If you want to see the tools behind this shift, we broke them down in a full video. You can check it out here or in the description, because it's already happening. If this is surprising or terrifying, you're not alone. Subscribe to stay ahead, not behind. At ZeroKit AI, we explore what's coming and what's already here. AI doesn't dream. It doesn't feel. It doesn't doubt. But it can imitate those who do. It can scan 1,000 poems and generate 1,000 more. It can mimic sadness, joy, rage, even if it's never felt any of them. So the question isn't, can AI create? It's, do we care if it doesn't mean it? What makes human creativity matter is intention. AI can replicate form, but not purpose. It can remix, but it doesn't wrestle with meaning. It doesn't fail. It doesn't grow. So maybe that's where we go now. Beyond form, beyond style, toward meaning, connection, risk. Not just what we create, but why we create it. The world is changing, fast. And creativity, once sacred, is now shareable, even automatable. But that doesn't mean it's over. It just means we have to move forward, with intention. This is ZeroKit AI, where we don't just talk about the future, we figure out how to stay human inside of it.